So welcome back again, guys. So here is this one info. So guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create an HTTP injector file. Okay, so you need these things. You need the payload, the proxy, and you can find all, or you can get all these resources on my blog. Okay, so just search this one info online. Okay, so let's start by going to any SSH this in website, so you can get some on this one info. So let's go to our site where we have a bunch of them out there. Okay, then you come to blog. We've compiled a lot of SSH sites over there, so you click on top legal SSH website. So in my other video I was talking about open tunnel. I think open tunnel is no more working, so there are a lot of them over here. Okay, a lot of SSH websites over here, so let's choose any of them. So let's use this particular one, hacker VPN. Click on it. The moment you click on it, it take you to their home page. So we are on their home page. Let's scroll down. So on their service we have SSH direct, we have SSH, okay, we have SSH socks / WebSocket. So let's click on create on the socks WebSocket. So scroll down, come and select a server or a country server. So let's choose the first one. So let's choose this one. So let's click on select. Scroll down. So we are going to create an account, SSH account. So click on create. Okay, then here you input the username, type in the username, the password. Okay, then you scroll down small, then you check this one, check this button. I understand. Then you click on create. Then you click on, you check this button too. I'm not a robot. They are doing all this in order to secure your account. Then you click on confirm request. So let's wait for the account to be created. Scroll down to check whether it has been created or not. So let's wait for some few seconds. It will pop up. We are done creating it, so let's wait for some few. Okay, so the account has been created. So the first one is the IP address, the second is the username, the third is the password. So let's copy all these, okay, and paste them into our notepad or our clipboard. Them into our pad. Okay, so this is the port, this is the IP, this one is the username, this one is the password. Okay, good. So now let's go to let's go and get the payload and the proxy, and we can get them from this one info blog. Okay, so let's go there. So this one info blog, click on the home page. Okay, then you come to resources, click on resources. Then you scroll down small. So here you see the MTN payload and the MTN proxy. So you copy them, let's copy them. So click on copy to copy them. Copy. Then you come and click on the proxy to copy. So let's go and paste them to in our notepad. So this is the proxy and here is the payload. Okay, so let's copy them one after the other into the VPN. So let's go and open the VPN. HTTP Injector. So this is a VPN, and if you don't have it, you can download it from Play Store. Okay, so here click on the top right corner, the three dots over there, then you click on reset. So reset it into the default state. You are going to make a fresh you are going to create a fresh file. So here you click on this particular area, then you come and select this one. You check this one, then you check custom payload. Okay, you check that one too, then you click on save. Okay, so here you input the payload here. Okay, so let's payload. Good. Then you come here to you input the proxy you copied. You paste the proxy there. Then here the port is 80. Then you save. Okay, then let's go and copy the username and the password and the host name. So this is the username, this is the username. So let's copy them. I don't want the video to be long. Okay, and the username too. Okay, so let's the password that we know. So you click on this button. You are going to the SSH settings. Click on it. Then come to SSH settings. Then you come to SSH host. Okay, then here you paste the host name. You click on OK. Then the port is always 80. Then here the username, you click on it to open the username. You paste the username there. Click on OK. Then you come to the password to click on it. Then type the password 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we save it. So we are going to make some changes in the payload. So this is the payload. We are going to make some changes in it. So this area, okay, this old host name or IP, you change it to the new one that you created or you got from the SSH website. Okay, so let's click and hold to delete it. Okay, so let's delete it and paste. Let's paste the new one there. So this is the new one. Okay, so you are done pasting it. So we have the proxy, okay, the remote proxy, and you have the payload. Okay, then you go to the top left corner, lines over there, you come to settings. Okay, that part we have the host name, you have the port, you have the username, you have the password. So everything is set now. Go back to the main home page. So here you are going to click on start to start the connection. After clicking on the start, you come to the log to check whether it is connected or there's a problem. So that then you click on this one to check the logs. Okay, so it is connected. Very simple and easy. Okay, VPN connected. Okay, so this is how to go about it. It's very simple. So like I said, if you are new to my channel, can you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. So for the resources, you can head to my blog. Now I've made everything simple. This one, there is no advert which is going to disturb you or something. Just go straight to the resources and get it, and make sure you keep it private. Don't share it with anyone. Okay, because the more it gets publicized, it will be blocked. I beg you. So kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So if you don't understand anything, just put your question in the comment section. Okay, you can join our Telegram channel for other VPN tutorials. Whenever we post any tutorial, you get it on our channel before getting it on or getting the alert on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.